com-bloc. Dead center. Dead center. Welcome back, everybody. This is Eric here, and today we're going to be doing another kind of milsurp review for you. I know we haven't really done one of these in a while, but we've got the Romanian PSL. This is a really cool rifle. It's a semi-automatic 7.62 by 54R. Feeds from a 10-shot box magazine. Very cool rifle. One of the original concepts for the PSL or the Romac. They're known by very different names because of how they're marketed. In Romania, it actually is a military service weapon, and they're exported to a few other countries here and there, but mainly it's a Romanian arm. There are a lot of these floating around in Iraq. The Iraqis use a form of the PSL to supplement their Dragunov rifles. It's not a true Dragunov rifle because of the gas system is basically just a giant AK. The receiver is a modified FPK machine gun receiver. The carrier and bolt is just like an AK. The top cover is just like an AK. The gas system is the same as a standard Kalashnikov. So basically what this rifle is a designated marksman rifle that is built on an AK action and to fire the 7.62 by 54R cartridge. This particular rifle is mainly meant to engage troops out to about 600 or 700 yards where they're out of range from a standard AK. The idea is that the fellows in the front, 200 or 300 yards away, pin the soldiers down, and then your DMRs sit back with these and pick them off from a little bit longer range. There are a lot of arguments out there as to what the maximum effective range on this rifle is. Some people say it'll shoot 8 to 1,000 yards. I think realistically, and especially in a modern battlefield type arrangement, I would say the practical range you're going to shoot this rifle at is around 600 to maybe 700 yards and actually hit stuff with it. They are reasonably accurate. They're not intended to be target rifles by any means. It's not intended to be a sniper rifle by any means. It's really just meant to be a force multiplier on the battlefield when you have troops that are armed with less powerful rifles. Okay, most people generally with decent ammunition are going to get about a 1.5 to 2.5 inch group out of them. I was shooting some 174 grain hand loads earlier today, match hand loads, and I was getting about 1.5 inch group at about 150 yards. So that's pretty dang respectable for this rifle. They generally don't shoot that good at all. We're going to shoot it at 440 on the gongs, and since we already have an idea of where the zero is on it, and since we already have an idea of what the accuracy potential is, we're going to go ahead and put it out at 440. It does have an illuminated reticle. You throw this switch and the reticle lights up either yellow, blue, green, or red. You can change out the little diode in there and it can make the reticle any color you want. Pretty cool setup. You know, there's really not a whole lot other to say about it than that. Magazines are relatively expensive, parts are expensive. The prices on these guns have kind of gone up a good bit over the last few years. I remember when you could pick these up for around $6.99, but now they've kind of gone out the roof. I paid close to $11 for this one, but you know, they can be anywhere all over the place in terms of price. So we're going to shoot this gun some. Hopefully we'll get some neat footage for you. I am planning on doing some reticle footage using the scope cam. So let's get rolling with that. See how this little guy shoots. Dead center. You're on it. Dead center. Left and low about 3 inches. High about 8 inches. High about 2 inches. What? High 2 inches.
12 o'clock, about 6 inches high. Dead center. That's at 2 o'clock, 3 inches off the side, but it's on the plate. 12 o'clock high. That hit it at 3 o'clock. Dead center. 11 o'clock on the plate. 11 o'clock off the plate about an inch. 3 o'clock. Nine o'clock. 7 o'clock. That's you're hitting it all over now. Good. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 2 inches off to the left. 12 o'clock.
That first string of shots that we took was with some surplus ammo. That's just your regular old 147 grain Russian light ball, which is what the gun is designed to fire, a light ball round. I've got a 174 grain match grade load. Let's see how consistent this is. Good shot. You're on it. You're on it, babe.
Dead center.
Good
right
shot.
In the center of it. One inch over the top at 12 o'clock.
A little bit lower, William.
Dead center.
Good shot. Dead center. Good shot. You put two right on top of each other. Do that again. Dead center. Do that again. Yeah. You're on it. You're on it. I was gonna say, bring your hold over to the right about 3 inches, but other than that, you're putting them all right in there.